I'm Luisa and today we'll learn how to make a rose out of empty toilet paper rolls. We're going to need 5 pieces. Each of those pieces will get flattened, cut across and then cut in half. Each half will become a set of petals. So we need to cut from each one the shape of a petal while keeping the base intact so that each 2 petals are stuck together. We'll repeat the same process for the rest of the rolls. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my next videos. Now that we've cut all of the pieces, we're going to set for aside and start working on the rest. We want to fold each of the petals a bit, leaving the middle intact, just so we start creating the rose from the inside out. When you add a new set of petals, you want to rotate the inside petals a bit, just so you don't always glue the petals in the same place. This way, your rose will look more natural. You'll want to leave a bit of space between the layers, just so that the rose will have more volume and it will look fuller. Now that we arrived at the last 4 pieces, we're going to do things a bit differently. The same rules apply here, so don't forget to rotate before gluing, just so it looks more natural. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!